What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my cooking channel. This is your girl Fabiola. Welcome back, guys. It's been a long time, but long story short, Thanksgiving is coming, guys. I know you guys might want to know how to make some good turkey, guys. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my turkey, guys, and that's one of my favorite way to make it, guys. And everywhere I go, guys, when they tell me to bring something, when I go to like Thanksgiving feast and they tell me to bring something, and when I bring my turkey, guys, this turkey I'm showing you guys what to make today. Oh my god, everybody always come to me, oh, the turkey tastes so good. And today, guys, I'm gonna show it to you or I make it, guys. Please stay with your girl, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Alright, guys, that's everything we're gonna need, guys. I have my turkey. That's a young turkey, guys. I bought this from Publix for like 6 something, guys. They really cheap now. And I have some chicken seasoning, guys. I have some chicken flavor bouillon. Let me show it to you guys. And I have some lemon juice. I have some white vinegar. We're gonna need oil to fry it. And I have some goja. We're gonna need black pepper, salt, garlic, and my Creole seasoning, guys. And we're gonna need some lemon. I have all those pepper. I have some onion, and I have my Asian green seasoning, guys. Now what I'm gonna do first, guys, I'm not gonna bake the whole turkey. I'm gonna show you guys my way or I make it, guys, and you guys gonna really love the result. First, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop my turkey. When I'm done chopping it, before I start washing it, I'm gonna show you guys how I chop it, guys. Okay, stay with me. Alright, guys, I'm not gonna show you all the way what I do or I chop it. I'm just gonna show you guys what I meant is that, let me take the first one to show you guys. You can do them big pieces or small pieces, and this one is a young turkey. It's not that big, you see. That's one of the thigh. It's not that big. And you're gonna get your knife. You're gonna do it like that. When you do that, so all the season can go inside your turkey. I'm gonna chop all of them, like cut all of them, and I'm gonna put them in a big bowl there. And when I'm done, I'll show it to you guys. All right, guys, you see, I'm done chopping it. I'm sure you guys, we just cut it. And next, what I'm gonna do, guys, I have 2 lemon. I already cut them. What you need to do, Jojo, stop. You're gonna get one of the lemon, baby. Put it on the up. And you're just gonna get the lemon juice, guys. This lemon juice, you're gonna use it to boil your turkey. And you see, perfect, put it up so they can see this one now. And you're gonna put it on the meat. That's what you're gonna wash the meat with. Alright, guys, that's all the lime juice I get from 2 lemon. Just gonna put it aside. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, I have my salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of salt. When you do it like that, you just clean your meat, guys. Take all the bacteria, guys. Everybody cleaning the chicken or the meat different, but when I clean it, and I have the lime juice, we're gonna put a little bit. I have a video I already show you guys how to do it, but for people that's watching my video for the first time, and I'm gonna put a little bit of vinegar. Now what I'm gonna do, guys, sorry, you see, we're just gonna clean your meat, and I'm gonna do it like that, and I'm gonna leave it like for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, guys, I will wash it for you. I will wash it and I will show it to you guys. Alright, guys, after 5 minutes, guys, I wash my meat. You can see the meat look really clean. Now what I did, guys, I have some water, guys. It's really hot. I boiled it for like 5 minutes, guys. Now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna put your hot water on the turkey. When you do it like that, guys, so the turkey, you can clean it, guys. You're gonna clean it really good, you see. Wait, baby, you're gonna do it like that. And I'm gonna put it in the pan. I'm gonna cook it, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys how I season it, guys. The meat look really clean, guys. Now what I'm gonna do next, remember the lime juice, guys. We're just gonna add the lime juice on our meat. We're gonna start seasoning. Next, you guys can use any type of hot sauce you guys have. I have this one. You're gonna put a little bit of hot sauce. Remember, guys, you're gonna fry your meat. You're gonna make sure your meat seasoned really good, guys. And I have the chicken flavor. I'm gonna put like 1 teaspoon. You don't have to put that much, guys. And for my Creole seasoning, guys, I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons because they make kind of, it's a lot. And while you're doing that, guys, oh, it's coming big. You're gonna make sure the season go on all your meats. Next, we're gonna add some black pepper, like 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And I have my chicken seasoning, guys. You guys don't have to put that, but I'm trying to get the right flavor, guys. And what you guys gonna need, that's a must, guys. And I have another video if you guys want to know how to make the Asian seasoning, guys, the green seasoning. That's a plus, guys, when you're making your turkey, to put some seasoning, because there's some good stuff on the turkey, I mean on the seasoning. You see, I have a big spoon. I'm gonna put a little bit again. Now we're gonna make sure, if you guys have gloves, I don't have no gloves, but if you guys have gloves, you guys can put some gloves in your hand, and you're gonna use the glove to season it really good, guys. You're gonna make sure the season go on all over your meat. And for the vinegar, guys, white vinegar, I put like 2 teaspoons, a little bit, guys, for taste. And I'm just gonna make sure I mix everything up. All right, guys, I have some minced garlic. Take time to open. I'm gonna add a little bit of the minced garlic. Let me show you guys what I add. Should be a little bit, baby. And we're gonna put a little bit of the Creole seasoning, guys. This Creole seasoning, guys, is the bomb. I put another 2 teaspoons, guys. I don't add no salt, guys, because all the seasoning you add, you don't need to put no salt, guys. And now what I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna let my meat cook, guys, for 20 to 30 minutes, guys, because you don't want it to cook all the way. Remember, you're gonna fry your turkey next, okay? I'm gonna cover it, let it boil for 20 to 30 minutes, and after that I will show you guys how I fry it. All right, guys, it's been 30 minutes. I'm done with the turkey. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it in the bowl, guys, and I'm gonna start frying it for you guys. And if you guys want the water that I cook the meat, you guys can make rice with it. What I usually do with this water, I cook some good rice, but I'm gonna show you guys how to fry it, okay? All right, guys, now what I'm gonna do, I'm frying my turkey, guys. You see, it looks real good. Remember, the turkey already cooked. You don't have to fry it that much. I'm just gonna fry it, guys, and I'm gonna put it on a plate, guys. I'm gonna show how good it looks. It look really good, guys, and it tastes really good too, guys. I don't really love turkey, guys. That's the only way I eat my turkey every Thanksgiving. I always do it the other way, guys, but this way, that's the only way I really love it, and that's why I share it too with you guys. But if you guys want to know how to make it, how to bake the turkey, the whole turkey, instead of do it the way I do it, you guys can still do that too. All right, guys, I'm done frying my turkey. Now what I'm gonna do with all my peppers, guys, I'm gonna do some decoration, guys. We're just gonna cut your pepper like that, guys, and you're gonna do this. I'm gonna try to get 3 in on each of them. You don't have to use all of them. Remember, you're gonna put the turkey on the table. You have to make sure the turkey look really good, guys. And you guys can still bake a whole turkey, guys, if you guys want, but that's one of my favorite way to eat turkey, guys. Okay, I'm just gonna take the middle part. Let me show it to you guys. And that's all I'm gonna do for all of them. And I'm gonna put it on a plate, guys, on a big plate, and I'm gonna show after I decorate. I'm gonna show you guys the final result. Guys, I'm done. Oh my god, look at how crispy, guys. Let me zoom it. That's the rings. That's one of my favorite part on the turkey, guys. I only love the rings right here. And oh my god, the only thing I keep saying, oh my god, oh my god, it look really good, guys. I'm not gonna lie, I'm proud of myself. It look really good, guys. And let me show it to you guys. Really good. And I'm done, guys. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like it, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. God bless you all. See you guys in my next video.